What is going on, everybody, and welcome to our Royal Caribbean Junior Suite aboard Harmony of the Seas. This is the all-inclusive exclusive, and today we're going to take you around our room and show you all the great things that this cabin has to offer. Let's go. First up, you're going to have a king bed. This is incredibly comfortable. They do have pretty decent mattresses here on Harmony of the Seas. You also have two large nightstands to the side of that. One of the most unique features about this ship is going to be that you have a power outlet on the side of the bed. Now, we've been on other ships, and this is the first one that had that power outlet. Next, you're going to have a large sofa. Now, I guess if you had kids, this is where kids could sleep. A couple of pillows, real nice artwork, but it's a large living space. Much larger than the balcony ocean view room that we had on Allure of the Seas last year. Next up, we are going to have an oversized patio. This patio features two chairs that do recline so you can get a little more space and lay out in the sun, and endless views as we are midship. It is a little windy, some storms blew through last night, but let's take a look. Alright, coming back inside, we are going to have a nice single person sitting chair, as well as the television. It is a large television. There's lots of channels, lots to choose from. It has programming for adults and kids. It also goes by age group if you've got kids in different age groups. One of the nice things about this TV is that it does swing. So if you prefer to watch TV in bed, or you're just having a little nightcap, or if you're sitting on the couch middle of the day, you can angle it based on where you're sitting. Next is going to be this desk. I used it for a workspace for my laptop. Kyle used it to get ready every evening for dinner. It is going to have multiple American and European outlets, as well as USB plug-in charging. That's a really neat feature that's on this ship. You're also going to have a coffee maker, as well as a prep station for your ice bucket, and a refrigerator with plenty of room for any cold beverages you may like. You need to let your cabin attendant know if you'd like that stocked. They'll take care of it for you. We've also got a bank of 4 drawers, plenty of room for your swimsuits, your undergarments, things like that, anything you don't need to hang. But next to that is something really cool. You've got a little small hanging area here, as well as multiple shelves and a safe. There's also 2 drawers below it, so if you do need to put anything out here, that's fine. And I know this is not a lot of hanging storage, but that's okay, because what we have next is absolutely going to blow your mind on a cruise ship. That's right, it is a walk-in closet that I can't even touch the edges of in here. Now, I'm only 5'9", so that's not too impressive, but there is tons of hanging space, as well as multiple luggage racks, storage above, and there's going to be built-ins in the back to take care of all your needs. There's a full-length mirror so that you can see what you look like when you get dressed in the morning or before dinner. It didn't break with me, so I guess you'll be fine with it. But one of the most unique things about this ship is going to be the bathroom. The bathroom features a tub shower combination with a flex glass enclosure so that you can actually get in, get everything set up. It's got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash ready for you in there. A detachable handle up above for the body sprayer. You're going to have multiple storage racks to the left and right of the vanity, and a large vanity and a decent mirror. You're also going to have towel rack drying spaces, both on the door and just inside of the bathroom as well. So I appreciate you joining me for this room tour aboard Harmony of the Seas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.